I'm Laura, I'm a Supervising Social Worker for Foster Wales and I've been qualified for 9 years. Growing up I was part of a large friendship group, and as I grew up I started to realise that some of my friends lived in different family settings to me, which strengthened my knowledge around social work really. My mum is also a foster carer, which solidified that I wanted to be a social worker. I really enjoy my job. I love building relationships with foster carers, understanding what makes them motivated to do the job they do.
The first time I met Laura, I was really relieved because she's so easy to talk to and she's looking out for you all the time. She's helped out when I had a foster child with me. Ended up squirting things over the floor, throwing things. As soon as Laura heard that I was in this dilemma, she phoned me back straight away and talked me through the situation.
I think it's important to acknowledge that fostering and working full-time is a challenge, but we try to accommodate that with visits outside of working hours. It's difficult being a foster carer, and sometimes you need that chat with someone just to say it hasn't been a good week.
When Laura comes to the house to see how it's been going, it's like inviting a friend in. I don't feel judged that if I wake up in the morning and I don't want to do my housework. I know Laura's coming, the kids have chucked washing on the floor, she steps over it and comes in the room. And it's nice just to have a nice team. And I love what I'm doing.
I think a lot of people might see social workers as quite strict, quite unapproachable, and that's really not how we are as people. We are humans, and we have a lot of feelings when we do this job. It's not easy to go into a person's home and talk about really difficult things that's going on for them. Coming in, we're trying to do our best with families, for children, and we do want to support.
If I was writing a letter to Laura, I would say thank you so much for the amount of support and help that you give me. Without you, my fostering experience would be totally different.